video I filmed of my hair. It's not really good lighting, but it kind of shows that my hair is a bit tangly, and even though it does have a bit of definition, it still needs a wash. After all, it's been like a week since I last washed my hair, which I normally shouldn't go that long, but I did, so yeah. As you can see in this video from the front, you can really see just how frizzy my hair is and how kind of like tangly it looks. But we're gonna fix that, so don't worry guys, we're gonna go wash our hair. So here are the hair products that I use. They are from the brand Maui Moisture and I really like them. They're really good for curly hair. This is my hairbrush. It's from the brand Tangle Teezer. It's super easy to clean and it untangles very well. A claw clip for conditioner and sectioning when styling. I also use the Skala Banana Brazil as my main styling product. I find that it adds a lot of shine and softness to my hair. So now we're moving on to the styling part. Excuse my shirt because it's very wet, as you can see. But I made sure that my hair was very nice and detangled and hydrated after taking a bath. So I changed and then I re-wet my hair so it would look nice and wet, you know? So the first thing that I like to do for my routine, I also like to keep a mirror, is that I like to kind of like section my hair. And I do this first section, which is like right kind of at the top of my ear. And I just kind of like grab my hair that way, so as you can see, with my fingers. And then I claw clip the rest. The claw clip, super duper important. Where's my claw clip? Oh my gosh, where is it? Okay, so I finally found my little like claw clip thing. Now you're just gonna clip your hair in place, sort of like that on the top of your head. And then I have this little section to work with. So this is my least curly section. So what I do for this one is that I don't really do much of a kind of like routine. I just kind of add like a little bit of this like cream. I just kind of like add a little bit like that, as you can see, and just kind of like spread it across my hands. I like my hands to be sort of like dry for this process. It should look something like that, and just kind of like spread it. Spread it kind of like everywhere. I'll just kind of like go like that, like this, like that. And then I just kind of like, especially these pieces I like to add a lot because these tend to stand up a lot for some reason. So I kind of like spread it more evenly here. Oh my gosh. And then I just kind of like do this. Doesn't really curl much, but yeah. These pieces are almost like straight, literally straight. The bottom layer of my hair is like super weird. But yeah. Now we're moving on to our second section. For this section, I kind of do it kind of a bit differently. I kind of section forward. So I split my hair in the back, like this. Put it on the front. Make sure it doesn't get like blended. And then with my fingers, I just kind of like go like that. And you might not get it right on the first try. But look, let's try again. Yeah, it's not really even, but we're not going to talk about that. We're just going to roll with it. Roll with the flow, you guys. And this is kind of like our top section. So this is the curliest part. And we're just going to claw clip that one, like that. Then I have these two pieces that I split. I'm going to start with the smaller section. Grab a little bit of curl cream. It's sort of like that. Not too much, as you can see. Spread it across my hands. Spread, 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 spread. Like that. I look really weird in this light. And then what I do is that I just kind of like split it into smaller sections. And then I use my little like brush over here. Although you can do this with your fingers as well. This is not like a necessary brush. The reason I didn't include it, it's just kind of like a Denman knockoff. Just gonna finger roll every single little piece. I learned to do it very quickly. I just kind of like sort of go like that real quick. I like to kind of like roll these so that they don't get confused with the pieces that have already been finger rolled. So I just kind of like do that. A lot of them I just twirl, especially for these ones because they're not really that curly. It doesn't really matter. For practice, I tend to usually do like more grass. I just push that back. And stop, this shape. Brush, 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 and shake. This back. And on the finger roll. That's the top. On the roll. And then still this way. Use the rest. And the finger roll. Finger out. And we do the hair on right. Watch. Finger roll even more. This is important. Rock that way. Sometimes it's a little bit. Sometimes again. Sometimes goes. But this sometimes again. And if you guys don't really know how to finger roll, I'm sorry for not going through that before. But you basically just kind of like grab your section that you're gonna finger roll. You just grab your section and you just you push one thing, push forward, and then you kind of like keep them rolling. Again, we're gonna do that again. You're gonna use one of your fingers, push, the other push, 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 and then just go on. And there, you got your little finger roll. Again, push, and back part, and now this part. Now it's gonna go on. Then just repeat it for the top, and that's it. Now I took out this section over here on the top after I finished both sides, and you're just gonna sort of grab with your fingers like this to kind of like make a straight line-ish, and then you're gonna grab your like brush, whatever brush you have, and you're just gonna kind of like hold it a bit like this normally, and then you're gonna go under and over kind of like that, pressing, putting pressure, and shake. And then you're gonna, if you want to, you can finger roll, and then you're gonna just throw each one to the back, kind of like this. Grab each little section and throw it to the back. A bit of hair gel right now, and we're just gonna kind of like flip that in your hands, I guess. Flip your head over like this, and just sort of like spread it. It's not like so. And then what I also like to do, I have this little like microfiber towel thing, kind of thing. And for it to dry quicker, what I do is I just sort of like pat it like that. So that makes it so that it dries a lot faster. You have to put this. And there we go, that's how it looks like. And I'll see you back when it's dry. I do air drying, which is what I recommend for most people and beginners as well. And yeah, we're just gonna see how it dries.